Okay, hello guys and welcome to another new video. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to change the seats on your car, or on your S15 I should say, and how to convert it to an option B blue interior. You may not have an option B blue interior, but we're going to show you how to do it anyways, because that's what we do here. And you can follow along. If you have any questions, just ask us in the comments, and let's go from here.
These expectations they weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend I am addicted.
So for those of you who don't know, this is the option B interior. So you've got the blue door cards and you've got the blue seats. There you go, in the white S15. So there's also a steering wheel that comes with the blue interior. I'll try and put a photo of it on the screen now. And I believe that's it for the blue interior. Look, I'm not 100% sure because I know that the orange one has some other stuff like a speedo cluster, but I've never seen it in the blue one. Thanks, truck. Anyways, so I've never seen it in the blue one, but I think that's it for the blue interior. If it's not, I will make sure to update you guys. So let's go. And today we got special guest Mr. Lawrence over there.
This one already loose.
Huh?
This one wasn't even tight.
Well, safety at its best. Alright, so while he's over there starting on the other seat, I'm going to show you where the points are to remove your seat. So if you're going to have a look down at the front, I'll take you out of the tripod. If you have a look down here, you've got one over here on the right, one on the left, there it is on the left, so there, and then you're going to have two at the back. So I'm just going to move you forward so you can see. So you got one in the corner down here behind the seat, and then the other one on the floor. Okay, so one on the transmission tunnel and then one on the floor. And these are 12mm sockets, is that right? 12 mil? 14. These are 14mm sockets, so make sure you got a 14mm socket, and you can get cracking. I'm just gonna set you up while we start working on it. We'll put you on a time lapse.
Doing a bloody Dominic Toretto here.
Dom Toretto, mate. Alright, so that's it. So once you've got that out, there will be a cable underneath the chair you need to unplug for the seatbelt. So just unplug that, which is this one here. So follow the cable. And here it is. So it might be stuck to your seat still underneath. Mine it's not, so you're just gonna unplug it. And there it is, that's out. So now you should be able to remove the seat. Interesting fact that you guys might not have known, in Japan, their gaffer tape is pink skin color. That's something you may not have known.
Could just be one of the brands.
Nah, man, everywhere you get things from Japan, they always wrap it in pink gaffer tape.
Yeah, black duct tape, but we wrap everything in grey duct tape.
Alright, so you probably just saw us fussing a lot when putting seats in. Sometimes when they're removed, they're not equal distance or equal length anymore, so you need to adjust the rails underneath so that they're the right length. That way when you put the seat in, it sits right and it fits. If you don't do that, you're going to end up cross-threading bolts, and that's not good when it's the thing that's protecting you from going flying through your windshield. What do you reckon?
It's good advice.
We'll leave them nice and loose so we can go flying through windshields. That's it, mate. So sometimes your seats don't come with the buckles. I'll show you what I mean. So they don't come with the buckles on the side like that, so you need to grab them off. So I'll do that now. Nah.
The audience has to know your true colors.
So again, there's a 12mm socket to remove this. Just take it off like that. And that's it. Cable comes out just like that. We'll put it in the other car. Alright guys, as you can see, we now have the blue interior installed. I will turn on the lights so you can see. And this is the full option B package. The only thing that we're missing as far as I'm aware is the steering wheel. So this here is the blue interior during the daylight. Have a look. It's very nice, very slick. Very schmick. You got the blue console down below. Blue everything, man. Let's make everything blue. Next thing to go. Just a sneak peek, huh? And I'll show you what the rest looks like when we've made the rest of the interior blue. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section. Peace.